Ring's new car cam takes your security on the road. In 2020, Ring announced a security camera for cars that works much like its existing home products. It's available for pre-order today for $199, will retail for $249, and will let you take your security on the road. Like many dash cams on the market, the all-new Ring car cam has two cameras. One for the cabin and a forward-facing 1080p camera to keep your car on the lookout and help owners handle any accidents with insurance. Those dual-facing cameras record when the car is in motion or parked. That means it'll catch road rage incidents and record video during a break-in or parking lot accident. The Ring car cam will automatically alert owners to a situation, just like a Ring doorbell camera. There's even a built-in microphone with two-way audio, so you can yell at thieves and tell them to smile for the camera. Parents can use the cabin camera, audio, and a live video feed to check on teen drivers. Additionally, Car Cam has hands-free voice controls and will automatically record if you say, "Alexa, record." This is great if you get pulled over, are in an accident, or have other situations. And because the Car Cam has an optional 4G LTE connection, for an additional charge, the footage is accessible anywhere from the cloud or with the Ring app. Installation is relatively easy thanks to drawing power from the vehicle's ODB2 port. Owners can easily wire it up and mount the camera and its rotating arm between the dash and windshield. Like other Ring home security products, it'll automatically connect to your home Wi-Fi and be ready to record at night.